Hi kids, I'm Theo, your adventure buddy. Today we're visiting the Garden of Love, a magical place where someone very special lives. Can you guess who? Look, that's the garden! And there he is, Jesus!
Welcome, little ones. This is the garden where love grows. Well, would you like to hear my story?
Whoa, oof! Even when he was little, Jesus was full of heart.
One small fish, one small loaf, Jesus, turn them into hope. Share what you have. He understands little is big in Jesus' hands.
Even the weather listens to him.
Love each other the way I have loved you.
He loved us so much, he gave everything.
I'm with you always. When you love one another, I am there.
I saw it all and it changed me. You know what? You can be like Jesus too. Kind, loving, and full of joy. Let's grow love together.